Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you about an interesting features about our website SAP Learning Academy. The features we're talking about the online test. Now, if you are interested to do the online MCQ test, then you can go into our website and you can find this online test column. Here you can find the several tests. And as of now, we have added just two test series for SAP HANA and SAP Web. And how can you take this test series? And let me tell you that just you click on this test series like I have clicked here, and you can find this set 1. As of now, I have provided the two tests, and also I'll be telling you how to do this test, and also you can get your answers at the end of the test. And how can you visit your website, our website? Like simply you type SAPlearningacademy.com, and if you just simply click on that, you can find our website, this one, and then it will take you to here. And once you click on this any set, like as of now there are two set, and I will be adding more set in it in order to provide more knowledge in it. And if you go into this click on this set 1, you can find the number of questions are 10. You can see the page 1 to 10. And suppose if I select any answer in it, just you go next. So I'm just selecting any answer here just in order to show you how to see the result at the end of your set. And just let me finish it, and you can see the number of pages, how many questions, and you can also go back. If you like to go back, you have the option of back. Then, and after finishing these all questions, just let me finish it. Yes, now you have an option to see the view scores, like how much has been corrected or not. And also you have another option like submit another response. Means that if you want to retest this set, then you can click on this and you can do the retest. And if I click on the view scores, and now it's opening up the result, like you can see that we have got 3 out of 10, and it will give you this result sheet like this. So these are interesting features in our website, and if you are interested to do this online test, and it will fresh up your knowledge in different areas like HANA, Web, and we'll be adding up more into this. So please follow on this website and keep looking it. And also you can look into the other pages and we have added, and also you can go into the tutorial videos like here I have added. So that's about this part of this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and please visit our website SAP Learning Academy. Thank you for watching.